Alright, this is 7th frame, 10, 9, or 8th, sorry, 8th frame. Alright, now look very closely for the queen here, very gentle. Some good brood here, cat brood. A little pollen in here, a little honey. Some larvae, older larvae, maybe close to being capped. Got a pupa there, didn't make it again. Not a huge deal. Still looking for eggs here, I'm not seeing any yet. I mean, queen had to be here at least, or on the last frame at least 3 days ago, because that larvae that was like very small, maybe. Oh yeah, we got eggs here. They're very hard to see, but they're right in those combs through there. So she had to be here at least 3 days ago. Oh yeah, this is packed full of eggs. Oh, we got one with 2 eggs, which is, there's a lot with 2 eggs. That's not cool. Should be fine though. And there's the queen right there. She's got a nice blue dot on her. She's looking for a cell to lay an egg in now. See if we can get her on camera. She's nice and she's big. She's got a nice big booty. Try to video her for a little while. See if we can't get her laying an egg. Nice and just calm, doing her thing. While she's working, I'm gonna look for some eggs on this side. She's probably not happy that I have her in the sun. She might go around to the other side. She's searching for a cell. Let's see if she finds one. So last time she was on the 10th frame. Today she's on the 8th. So she's making her way over this way, slowly but surely. And it's hard to tell in this dark comb if she has any eggs. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, all of these cells are filled with eggs, so I think she's having a hard time finding a cell, an empty cell to lay in. But I'll put her back in there nice and carefully, slowly watching her, make sure she don't get hurt. Oh, just as I'm putting her back, no, looks like she's backing into a cell. She might have just laid. I missed her. Oh well, she's good, she's laying. And there she goes. She's still on that frame. Nice and easy does it. Alright, I don't really need to pull these last 2 frames. I'll just loosen them up. Push them together slowly so I know I don't hurt the queen. Ah, they really got this sucker stuck. Okay. I want to really take my time here. Make sure I don't smush the queen. I'm going to give them a ton of time to get out the way. Okay. So that's good. Now what I would like to do is I think I'm going to take a honey frame from this bottom box and I'm going to put it in my top box here and just trade them off. And since they're liking the work over here, it may have a little bit of brood on the end, but I think it'll be okay to put this frame up top and just trade them out. And I'll make this the end. Well, there's brood on that end. I don't want to do that. What can I do here? Come on, girls, look at them. Just go ahead, go back. Smoke, give them a little smoke. Calm down. Push all these back. See if we can't find a good frame to put up top. That should be good. That might be a little too far. I'll push them a little bit that way. I like to do a finger widths apart. I got a lot of proclus on these frame rails. I call them rails. I don't know what they're called. Little frame spacers. So this one can stay on the edge. I don't care. That's fine. I just want to, I guess, replace this drone comb with a little bit of nectar in it.